In 1953, a discovery changed biology forever. Two scientists announced that they had solved one of the greatest mysteries in science, the structure of DNA. One of those scientists was James Watson. The discovery would bring fame, a Nobel Prize, and a permanent place in scientific history. But it would also spark a debate that continues to this day, because another scientist, Rosalind Franklin, played a crucial role in the story, and many believe she never received the recognition she deserved. But to understand the controversy, we need to go back to post-war Britain. Scientists knew that DNA carried genetic information, but nobody fully understood its structure. At King's College London, Rosalind Franklin was using X-ray crystallography to study DNA. Her work produced remarkably detailed images, including one now known as Photo 51. That photograph contained vital clues about DNA's shape. Meanwhile, at Cambridge, James Watson and Francis Crick were building physical models trying to solve the same puzzle. In 1953, they proposed the double helix structure of DNA. It became one of the most important discoveries in modern science. The structure explained how genetic information could be stored, copied, and passed from one generation to the next. Modern genetics was born. In 1962, Watson, Crick, and Maurice Wilkins received the Nobel Prize. Rosalind Franklin did not. She had died 4 years earlier. Over time, many scientists and historians began asking difficult questions. How important was Franklin's contribution? Did she receive enough credit? And would history remember the discovery differently if she had lived longer? The debate intensified after Watson published his memoir, The Double Helix. Many readers felt that his portrayal of Franklin was unfair. As awareness grew, Franklin became a symbol of both scientific excellence and the challenges faced by women in science. But Watson's controversies did not stop there. Decades later, he became involved in debates about race, intelligence, and genetics. Comments he made in interviews generated widespread criticism. Many scientists argued that his statements lacked sufficient evidence and risked promoting harmful stereotypes. The backlash damaged his reputation. Institutions distanced themselves from him, and a scientist once celebrated as a hero became one of the most controversial figures in modern science. So how should we remember James Watson? As the co-discoverer of DNA, as a scientist whose later comments overshadowed his achievements, or as both? For students, this story teaches a powerful lesson. Scientific progress depends on evidence. Recognition matters, and critical analysis requires us to examine multiple perspectives, because history is rarely simple, and neither are the people who shape it. If you are a UK university student struggling with structuring arguments, evaluating evidence, or developing critical analysis, this is exactly the kind of academic thinking we help you strengthen at Acadex.